演不完。Travessa dos Tingidores down the alleys of Macau. Alleys like beautiful little Travessa dos Tingidores. Travessa dos Tingidores. Walking around the alleys of Macau while we're just walking. Oh Macau. Ooh, Travessa dos Tingidores. Ooh, Macau. I'm just walking around Travessa dos Tingidores. An alley with used goods. Ooh, Travessa dos Tingidores. Ooh, Travessa dos Tingidores.
This street is called Travessa dos Tingidores. So you can see how cool that looks right there. And this is this little space in here, but they also have a lot of used items, used good items. So we're gonna see some of that. It's even more so on a Sunday. Just to give you a little context, you can see more of it all around, including all these bike helmets that you can buy as well, hangers for clothing. We're gonna put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. There's more of it there too, and more up there. Okay, so let's go walk down Tingidores Lane. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Tingidores, all those helmets. Some mattresses out. Some people with some electronic goods up in that direction as well. So we're gonna walk down Tingidores and we're just gonna see, I think this kind of goes into a little bit of a corner hook area. There's another street here. I don't know what that street is called. It says Tingidores. So actually, this is a little beco dos Tingidores. So this is a tiny little beco. And we'll just kind of come around. I can hear some music. It's pretty cool. Nice apartments. There's the music you can hear. So we're gonna go back down to Tingidores Lane, and we also had Tingidores Beco. And then this street, I think it goes like that. It goes kind of in a corner. And then on Sunday, it'll be quite busy with a lot of used items, used goods items, like this kind of stuff. So they'll have like whole places, storage of stuff to sell. And let me just see. That's also Tingidores as well. So this whole street like that and goes all the way like that. We'll follow that as well, but we're gonna come around here real quick. So here's more of this market area. We'll come over here too and see. Yeah, you can also see all this stuff too, so there's a whole little area. And they're also playing Zhongxi. So they're playing it here. And also here too. So we're going to keep on going down our street, but we'll just kind of give you a context of everything in here too. But yeah, all this stuff is for sale, and on Sunday it'll be quite busy. Cavalo. Okay, so we're gonna keep on following Tingidores, but we have a lot of other little stuff in here too. Yeah, nice little community. You also have all these apartments all the way around as well. And then the Tingidores will follow it. And that's Tingidores and that's Tingidores. So it just keeps going up. So we basically like this little corner, and then we had that little beko on the other side. We're selling jade items in here. Travessa dos Tingidores. So we'll follow it all the way down. Okay. We got more big items as well. And then we're gonna come out. So this would conclude the street. It's kind of interesting. There's actually a place called Nepal Food Center right there. That goes up to Kyungwoo Hospital, straight up that way. And then that's different streets, Cote Royale. And that's our Target Street. So maybe we'll just come back to that, where that little courtyard is at. And we'll conclude the Beko. So that's a little Beko, and it goes down and around in the corner. So yeah, Tingidores. And that is the name of our street. Okay. Put that up on the map so we'll end our video. You can go there, it's right there. Travessa.